Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are gonna look at Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. We are going to break it down from the higher time frame on monthly and up to the lower time frames, and we are gonna see what the price is actually doing. So let's go back on the chart and we will see that we have some areas that the price is actually close to the top of the structure. You will see that 1.1290 is the first zone and 1.1333 is the next zone. So up to this moment we don't have anything at all, so let's go on another time frame. On the weekly time frame we can clearly see that price is close to the top of the structure, and we have a small trading range. This trading range is showing that the price is moving within the top of the bottom that is located between 1.1113 and 1.1254. So this is the range for the weekly chart, and as we can see here, it's very clear that during the past 3 previous weeks the price was moving within this range, and it looks like the price may close also this week again. Price is almost at the top of the structure, so despite the fact that the small candle is at this point, it can also extend the bearish movement and it can be close to the top. So we can see the price to come here and the candle can be something like this red again. So let's look at the pros and cons, how it is going to happen and what we can expect. On the daily chart on the other side, what we can see is that we had the first movement, that price was increased, we had the first bullish movement, and we have a higher chance again for the price to come down. On the top part of the structure we can see that we have the potential for a double top pattern on the daily chart. So we have the sellers that are positioned close to this area. Price is testing the same zone for the second time during this week, and this was the first time. So look at how the price is coming close to this zone 1, 2, 3, 4 times overall, and this is increasing the chances that our trade can move on the lower side again. Let's move on another time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, and you will see a very nice combination of patterns. On the first part here we had a small double top. Look at what price created. We can see this double top and price moved down after that, and we have approximately the same double top that is created here, and we can see the same wave to develop. So we have a very interesting pattern that is being created, 2 double tops and a potential double top that is the bigger one. So very interesting price development, 2 patterns within a bigger pattern, and here we have our bigger pattern that is being created. So these are the bigger resistance areas. Let's break it down more right now. So up to this moment we can see that if price is going to move down, it can test this support that is from the lower part, from the left part of the structure that it is coming. This is located somewhere near to 1.1173, and we can see also that price made the first movement from the top of this pattern. Now I'm going to stop on the analysis that I actually shared today, This was the day analysis that I have shared, and there is a reason that on the 4-hour chart I'm looking also for the upper part of the structure. So the first support area is where we are looking at, and the second one is the bigger one, if price is going to move down. So let's open also the other analysis that is below. And as we can see, this is the previous analysis that we were looking for the bullish target. I will explain also that. And here we have it. You can see that after the price tested the support area, price bounced up. So the target was reached in a perfect way. And now we are looking for the bearish movement. So let's get back again in our pattern. On our 4-hour chart, we have two potential support areas that I'm looking at. The first support area is the one that I'm looking, and if I'm going to extend, we are close also to the left part of the structure. Very interesting scenario that is being formed. I really like it, how we can deal with this part of the structure. And here we have also the next price that may come. So from this point we can see the bears to push the price on the upper part, and here are our target areas. The upper part that I'm looking at for the targets is that it can happen. So if price is going to bounce above this support, it can reach 1.13 as the first psychological price area, and the second one is the top of the pattern that corresponds to this zone. That is why I am also looking at for two potential price zones if price is going to bounce above our point. So I'm making this with red, 1.1254. If price is going to bounce above this area, above this resistance zone, it should continue moving higher up to the previous monthly support resistance on the upper side. So this is not too far, it is approximately 80 pips, and price may face resistance also there. However, from the actual point of view, I am expecting for the price to move lower at this point, and also on the lower time frame that we had our small double top pattern. After price came down, I am expecting it probably to move lower. So overall I'm focused on the bearish movement. If you want to focus on the bullish movement and you think that the price will move higher, you just have to wait for price to bounce above, and after that it will continue higher. So this is your point where you can initiate the trade. For the bit, also on the 1 hour pattern that you can see during morning, we initiated a trade on our group. It was a very fast short-term trade. You can see that price created a small double top on the hourly chart, and after that we were expecting for the price to move lower, and close to the mid of the day we can see that price came lower, and the target was achieved. It was very fast, approximately with profits 30 to 35 points. However, these are very short-term trades, and the bigger trade is what I'm actually expecting on the bigger picture that I actually shared with you. So hope you guys enjoyed the analysis for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future content. Bye bye.